Hello friends, we are going to do an experiment how we can cook apple, green lime, tomato, banana, yellow lime and egg in the microwave. Okay, this is the microwave, neat and clean. Let's see what happened. We are going to try with the tomato first. Let's see. Wow, water is boiling inside the tomato. I can see it. Wait for a minute. Okay, let's see what's happening with the tomato. Oh, wow. Water was everywhere. There's still 3 minutes left. God, it smells so bad. It's smelling. And I can see smoke from the microwave. Oh, can you see the smoke? Oh, 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 oh. Wow. It smells so bad. Can you see the smoke coming in? It's become a rock. We are going to try other food. Okay, this time we are going to do the experiment with the yellow lime and the green lime. Let's see what happened. We put the microwave about 3 minutes. I can hear the noise. Juice is boiling inside the lemon. I will be right back. Oh, I can hear the juice is boiling, 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 boiling. I can smell it too. Let's see what happens. You can see the water come out from the lemon. You can see the smoke, and it's so hot. Let's see what happens next. Okay. Okay, you can see the smoke, and it smells so hot. It is so hot. Let's try to cut it. Whoa, we cannot even cut it. It's become like a rock. And this one is little bit soft, but all juice drop. See, the juice is coming out. Okay. Now we are going to try cook the apple in the microwave. Okay, we put it on 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. I can see the juice is getting out from the apple. Can you hear the juice? Let's see. Oh, I can see the smoke. And look at the apple. I can see the all boiling water inside, and the apple become a rock. Whoa. I cannot even cut it. Okay, now I am going to try to cook up egg in the microwave. Let's see. I'm scared it's gonna be big bust, but let's see. There's still 2 minutes left. Can you hear some? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh Look, this is after the egg. This microwave is so smelly, and it's probably this microwave gonna go in the trash. So friends, never ever try to cook these things: apple, lemon, avocado, egg, tomato inside the microwave. Thank you.